Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Juliet. To my returning subscribers, hi, welcome. So you guys, it's a DIY video today. Today we are going to be making the African black soap shampoo. This shampoo is very effective and it's very easy to make. So we are using just 2 ingredients for this shampoo. Yeah, so we're using the African black soap. I'm using this authentic African black soap from West Africa, Nigeria. This is what the African black soap should look like. It's usually brown, dark brown. It's not black. This is the color. This is what it should look like. I got this from Niger State, Nigeria, because they make the best African black soap, especially the Nupe tribe of Niger State. Yeah, they make the best African black soap. So this is what the authentic unadulterated African black soap looks like. This is how you get it from the women who make this black soap. Yeah, so I'll be using this black soap and the palm kernel oil to make this shampoo. These are the 2 ingredients I'll be using for this shampoo. So I'm going to be leaving the complete measurement in the description box. So check out the description box for the complete measurement of this shampoo. Yeah, so over here I'll be needing a clean bowl. Yeah, so we'll be needing our clean bowl. Then I'm going to pour in some of this African black soap into the bowl, just as you are seeing right now. Yeah, this is it, guys. See how beautiful the soap looks already, and it smells so good, so good. Yeah, so I'm going to set this aside, and I'm also going to be needing my wooden spatula. I need this wooden spatula to mix everything together. Yeah, so you need your wooden spatula. You can use any spatula anyways, even if you don't have the wooden spatula. So I'm going in with my water. Make sure your water is clean, guys. We need very clean water for this shampoo. So I'm going to go in with more water. Like I said, the measurement is going to be in the description box, so guys, don't worry. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go in with my palm kernel oil. Yeah, you can use coconut oil if you can't find palm kernel oil, but I would advise that you go in with palm kernel oil, because palm kernel oil has a lot of health benefits. It's very good for the hair. It's also very good for the skin. So if you can find palm kernel oil, please make sure to use palm kernel oil. But if you can't find palm kernel oil, you can use coconut oil. So after mixing this with water and the palm kernel oil, this is what it should look like. Yeah, just like so. So I'm going to allow this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, after which I'm going to wrap this up with a foil paper, just the way I'm doing right now. You're going to cover this up with a foil paper, but if you don't have a foil paper, you can use a plastic bag. Feel free to use a plastic bag. So I'm going to cover this up for about 4 to 6 hours until it has completely dissolved. Yeah, so just cover this up, and you guys, this is very easy to make. This shampoo is very good. It's very good for your hair. It will help your hair grow. It thickens your hair. It helps to retain your hair moisture. This is a very good shampoo for those with dry hair. It also helps to maintain the natural pH of your hair, and it is an excellent exfoliant for your hair. This can be used for both natural and relaxed hair. Any kind of hair you have, you can use this to wash it. You can even use this to wash your weave on. Yeah, it's that good. This is very good. It's very effective. It keeps your hair really moisturized after wash. It's not going to keep your hair frizzy. Don't worry, at the end of this video, I'm going to be using this shampoo to wash my hair, and you guys will be seeing how my hair turned out. Yeah, a little goes a long way. Once your hair is drenched, you guys, you just need a little of this shampoo and you are good. You are good. I have a complete video on my channel where I washed my hair. I'm going to be leaving that video in the description box so you can check it out. So you guys, this is 6 hours later. I left this for 6 hours, and you guys, So this is it after 6 hours. You can see that it has dissolved completely. It has dissolved completely. So you're just going to use your wooden spatula or any spatula you have. It might even be spoon to just mix it up. You don't need to do a lot because this has dissolved completely. And you guys, we have our shampoo. You can see that this is very easy to make. It is very, very easy to make, and it is 100% natural and organic. So yeah, we have our shampoo. We have our shampoo. Black soap is good for your hair. It's very, very good for your hair. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to be turning this into a container using a funnel. You want to use a funnel to do this so you don't spill everywhere with your shampoo. You guys can see that this shampoo is very easy to make, and it's also very, very effective. Very, very effective. It thickens your hair, it grows your hair. After using this shampoo, your hair is not going to fall out. If you don't even have conditioner, this is a good conditioner. Like after washing your hair, you don't even have to condition your hair. This also serves as a conditioner because it keeps your hair really soft after wash. So you guys, that's it. We have our shampoo. Our shampoo is ready. So let me know if you'll be trying this. Please make sure to try it and try this shampoo. You guys are not going to regret it. This is very good. This is what I've been using for my hair. This is very good for the hair, and my friends can attest to this, that this shampoo is very good because I made sure that my friends also use this shampoo. So this shampoo right here is very, very, very good. Give it a try and thank me later. So you guys, that's it. That's our shampoo. Our shampoo is ready. The next clip you are going to be watching is me using this to wash my hair. So that's it, guys. So this is me washing my hair with the shampoo. You guys, I told you a little goes a long way. Once your hair is drenched in water, that's it. You guys, this shampoo is very foamy. You can see. You can see how thick and black my hair is. You guys, thanks to this shampoo. Please make sure to give this shampoo a try. Give this shampoo a try. Come back and thank me later. So this is me washing my hair with the shampoo. And usually what I do is I wash my hair in sections. I section my hair into 4, 3 or 2, but I don't wash my hair like together. I make sure to section my hair before wash. It's very good to do that. So please make this shampoo and add it to your hair routine, and your hair is going to thank you for it. You can see how I'm using it to wash my hair. You can see how foamy it is. I did not have to add more. The one I added was just perfect. The one I started with was what I used to wash this front row of my hair, and that was good. And this shampoo can last you for 6 months to 1 year or even more, because everything here is natural. Our African black soap is natural, is unadulterated. Our palm kernel oil is natural, is unadulterated. I got both from Niger State, Nigeria. Like I said, they are good when it comes to making African black soap, palm kernel and shea butter. Yeah, so you guys, this is it. This is me washing my hair with it, and after this I'm going to rinse it off. So yeah, I was done rinsing off my hair, and you guys, you can see how soft and moisturized my hair looks. You guys can see how soft and moisturized my hair looks. This is going to leave your hair really soft and moisturized. So you guys, that's it. I just thought to show you guys, and you can see there's no any hair on my hand. Like I didn't lose any hair at all. This shampoo is that good. You can see, guys. So this is it. Make sure to try this and thank me later. I didn't use any conditioner for my hair after using the shampoo. You can see how soft my hair looks. I just twisted the hair and that's it. Twisted this side and went ahead to twist the other side of my hair. Okay, that's it. My hair is ready and clean. You can see how neat my scalp looks thanks to my shampoo, my African black soap shampoo. So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in my next. Bye.